is Diepkloof Phase 2. It's a nice area, it's a suburb. You can't deny that or hesitate. So this is where the upper middle class is of Soweto. Skipper, what's happening?
This is a quiet side. It is very nice, but also it gets boring sometimes.
So,
At story 88.
the school kids are coming from crèche now. It's after school now. So going home now. Amazingly, they still have energy to play. They've been playing almost the whole day. They'll play until they go to sleep. It's amazing how the little ones have energy. Okay, this side, I think this is a community facility. There's courts there, some basketball courts. I don't know if they're still functioning, but I see some kids playing over there. There's also soccer field there. Yeah, so there's a lot to do here. Okay, here's another one. Another mansions, beautiful houses over here. In Diepkloof, they don't play here. They're not playing. Oh, lovely. Yeah, club chat, shop. Yeah, so this is what face. Phase 1, phase 2.
Phase 2.
Okay. I say keep. I'm gonna pay around. It's all good. Okay. I think we'll take the left from here. And sometimes you have to announce your presence. And just, I don't think it's a good thing to just come to other people's area and not announcing yourself, what you're doing here. Sambona, it's not like any secret service, undercover service. They must know that this guy is just taking regular videos, normal videos. So this is it guys. This is a Diepkloof phase 2. This is Diepkloof phase 2. It's very nice houses over here, very nice. It's a nice area, it's a suburb. You can't deny that or hesitate saying that. Sambona. And this is beautiful. So the street, it's Mamu Laying Street. I think that's a Sutu name. And over here, and the streets are very wide open. It's nice because you find that in some sections the streets are a bit narrow. Okay, let's go and check the street over here. Oh, the yellow color here, it's everybody's going with the yellow color. Nice. So there's a mansion, huh? Okay, here I think is a preschool. Ula bafethu, ula. Hope I won't get lost here. Okay, Diepkloof, guys. Diepkloof is it's the first township when you're coming from Johannesburg. So that's the entrance of Soweto. It's situated in the eastern part of Soweto. So that's where Diepkloof is. So it's very close to the highway. It's close to N1. I think that's the Western bypass. And also it's close to the N1 towards Bloemfontein. Yeah, that's where Diepkloof is. Simple enough. So this is where the upper middle class is of Soweto. Because remember, there's different suburbs in Soweto. Also here in Diepkloof, that's where you find the middle class and upper middle class of Soweto. Hey, but Diepkloof, guys. Yeah, Diepkloof, when comparing the other areas we've showcased or we visited, Diepkloof is number one. I don't know what you're saying, guys. What do you say? Diepkloof is just a pure suburb. So Diepkloof is also known as a deep meadow. Yeah, I think it was established in 1959 when I checked. Oh, look at that house there. Diepkloof Dudes. It was a kids show, kids drama series. Yeah, I really enjoyed it because we were young at that time. There were kids of our age. So they were solving crimes, doing some community work, riding bicycles. It was a group of kids, dynamite Diepkloof Dudes. So the series was being acted here in Diepkloof. I don't know which part, but Diepkloof. If you still remember, guys, if you know the TV show, not the 2000 kids, yeah, I think they don't know that one. It was playing in the 90s on SABC. Dynamite Diepkloof Dudes. Dynamite. I really love that show. It was really influential and very entertaining to young ones. We're still here. Yeah. It's breathtaking. Diepkloof is just breathtaking. It's just breathtaking. It's beautiful. Luna, it's up. You can see that, yeah, it's an old township, all the suburb, some old designs you can still see here. Sanibona njalo siyathi siyabonga mani kuclean imnanzi siyabonga kakhulu yebo. Hey, lots of dogs here, some pit bulls. Hey, if they can break loose, it's gonna be a problem. Nice. This is it, guys. Diepkloof Extension. So now I'm not sure which phase I'm at now, but we'll find out. If we get someone, we'll just ask something about this area. something about this area. The houses are big, man. Eh? Look at this one. Sandton. Yeah. Sharp. It's a phase one.
Phase 2.
It's phase 2. Phase 3 ngakuphi main road. Okay. That's very nice now. Inisesaba phi? Sisekas. Sisekas.
Yeah.
You don't mind if the camera?
I don't mind.
You don't mind. Sisekas. Let's keep her. Not happening.
Nothing much. This is a quiet side.
Quiet side, yeah. I noticed because I'm square.
Square.
Yeah, I came from square towards this side.
Yeah, this side is quiet.
Yeah, I can tell the difference when you enter here. It's now we are in another place. Diepkloof Extension.
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
You're enjoying staying around?
It
Around
does.
here?
It is very nice because it's not that noisy. But also it gets boring sometimes.
Yeah. So that means we have to jump to the other side.
Yeah,
We'll
fun.
totally entertainment. Yeah,
Yeah.
and chillax. Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
Yeah. The channel, the story 88. We check. I'll post you maybe some.
Still have to edit first.
Yeah, edit and
Yeah, I understand.
yeah, I'm still posting other content.
Yeah, but good luck.
Yeah, sharp.
On YouTube.
YouTube, yeah. YouTube. Story 88, you know?
Story 88.
Yeah. Sharp. Okay, just asking that young man some few questions. How is it here? Yeah. So he's living here. I think over here a class is on session. Somebody's being trained how to drive. Okay guys, let's just enjoy the quietness a little bit.